Hello YouTube. I've done second rinse and some spin. So it's on 5 rinse, 5 rinse. Sometimes I even do 2 rinses on the machine. Or normally 3 because I never normally have softener, so I just do the 3. But now I have softener, I just started bringing up my softener again. Confused. The 2 3 rinses. Okay, so. Clean the screw cap. With a cat on table thing. I held bottom. I'm gonna have to put my camera down so I can measure out my softness. Oh, too much. But that don't matter. YouTube. I don't know if you see, but a little inch of it. I just stuck it on my tea towel. Oops. And just put the tap on like that. I didn't guess I got softer, so got to lock it in. A minute, just do that minute. Of course I'm doing hand wash rule now. So that's awkward. So that's just some washing liquid I used to use. I split up to it off nice hand wash rule. Lovely. Oh yeah, nice. It's starting to come up. Oh yeah, I'm trying to tap. So I have to put more lens. So let's kneel down a minute. I'm just going to get started. So, quick, fast and get the piercing done. I need a bit more water. We've got some softener bubbles, driplets on the drum. Can you smell it a minute? Beautiful. Look at all that. Okay, that's enough. Small up. Let's start with the green. And soften the sides. I might put my overalls in a minute, just want to soften it right now. Not important. The camera ain't picking up the actual speed, it's like going like this tumbling a second. Then I might be picking more up with my eyes down. Where's this? Stupid. You dick. Careful. That's it, guys. Was there will be hang up home? I would hang up here before someone's built, as I'll show you now. Going for my little veggie plot, which I'll do videos later when I've tidied it up a bit more. So the outside's a bit of a mess. There's more slime. It's actually snapped out of the ground. Here. It's actually snapped off its own pole. Again. Okay, that's it. Bye. Got some gardening to do. Bye.